Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. This is part 2 of smoking a chicken on the barbecue. Yeah, out there is some rain. Just came through here a little while ago, and yeah, it's still not over with. There's still a few sprinkles in the sky, and the clouds are nice and dark and deep all the way around. Yep, they're definitely looking to drop some more rain on me. And thunder, lightning, not very frightening. Oh, yeah, it was. I had to run out and I had to close up the tent camper. I got all of the flaps all closed on that. And then I shut the windows on the motorhome and closed up the containers. And a wind gust came through here. It was like a tornado, a giant dust devil come through. And unfortunately, ooh, there was a lightning strike just then. I hope you caught that. Anyway, the wind came through here. I had my doors and windows open and dust everywhere. Got some cleaning to do. And Dust Devil was about the size of Delaware. There's the thunder. I would say that's about 6 miles away. All right, let's get to what you've been waiting for here. Coming on over here to the barbecue. And look at that, sitting right at just about 250. Held that all the way through. The smoke came up. You can see the dark marks around the openings here where the smoke came out. Did its thing. Let's open this up and check it out. Oh my God, look at that. Just perfect. And yeah, the potatoes are down there in the juice underneath the chicken. I didn't have to add any more water. I still have a little flame left in there, just coming to the end right now with some heart coal in the back. And want to make note here for those of you going to do this. You don't ever want to trust just your eyesight. Now, when you smoke a chicken, the meat will sometimes come out pink. And you can't tell if it's cooked or raw. So, how do we make sure that we're not eating raw chicken and going to kill ourselves? Well, we use one of these. 180 degrees for poultry. And you stick this into the chicken at the meatiest part and wait for it to come up. Now, I've been doing these for a long time, so we should be pretty darn close about right now. Even with the rain. There we are at 160. Coming up to 170. 175. 179. 180. And if it goes over a little bit, that's fine. Yeah, it did. So we're just fine. Chicken is done. And look at that nice golden brown look to it. Nice texture. The potatoes are down there and just ready to pull out. And I'll put them on top of this heat and just roast them a little bit so that they get that nice roasted color to them, just like the chicken. Right now I'm going to take the chicken off. I put a new piece of foil on my cutting board, threw the old one out because you don't want to cross raw chicken and cooked chicken. And you want to get rid of anything that was raw. So yep, there we go. And I'm starting to get rain down here. So it's going to be time to pull this chicken, get it inside, let it sit for a little while, let the juices re-establish themselves. And I'll get those potatoes up onto the top of the grill, roast them down a little bit. The carrots and the green beans inside are all ready. And I've already shut off the heat to my chicken stock, so I can strain that and get it ready to put away. So there we go, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave comments down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to save this if you want to save it so you know how to do this in the future. And this is a great recipe. It's like I said, super easy to do. Nothing to do but put it together, sit down, and wait for it to be done. And one more tip. Don't get into the habit of lifting the cover of the barbecue every 5 minutes to see how things are going. When you do that, you lose all the heat that's inside of there, all the stuff that's built up. If you set this thing up right, and if you do it like I showed you on the half circle all the way around, you will maintain a steady temperature inside, and it will cook perfectly with your eyes closed. You don't have to look in. Oop, there was another lightning flash. Better get this one together. Everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. G Bear signing off.